Hi, my name is Paloma Aguiar. I work for Oracle as a cloud solution engineer. I will demonstrate how to start for free using Oracle Cloud. To use the services that I will show here, you need to create an account in oracle.cloud. After creating your account with your personal information, you will be assigned to a tenant. From this point, I have my account already created, so I will just log in. After logging, a message will be raised saying that is a free tier account. In our demo, we are going to use the Autonomous 8P. So before starting, I had already created a database. So you can see here a database with my name. You can see information also that it's always free database. So you have a brief about the information about the database name, the amount of CPU. So you just need to do a few clicks in order to provision your database. You can see also that your database has a few backup running on, so it's really interesting and really safe. From the service console, you can access a few tools that can help you with your daily tasks. For instance, for our case now that we go to development, here it is in Portuguese, but it's in Oracle Apex, you can select and you'll be redirected to Oracle Apex. Here I am filling with the information about the workspace and the user that I had created. When you are logging for the first time, this screen will ask you to create a workspace and a user for this account, but in this case I had already created. I could say that this is the main interface for building your application, but just doing a brief overview about the possibilities that you have with Apex. For instance, I have here created two applications. So this is the sales that I was creating since the beginner. So I got a dataset on the internet and I was using Apex tool to use and to create my application. Or even if I don't want to create everything by myself, I can use some Oracle templates, like in this case that I have a template for a specific dataset and I have some screens. And what is nice from this point, because you can use the Oracle templates like an inspiration for creating your application. So also you can use SQL Tabsheet workshop where you have a few things interesting like run SQL commands or store SQL scripts. And here you have some data sets. So for instance, for this case, we are going to install a new dataset. So you can just select on it and click on install, and you have a few objects that will be associated for your schema in database that it's Apex admin. So these objects will be selected and will be provisioned in your environment. So it's really interesting if you want to see what you can do with our tool. So you have a platform that you can share objects with your team. You can use the templates like I mentioned before. And so from SQL workshop interface, you have the RESTful service. So here we need to create three components. So the first one will be the module. So here I am creating the jobs because I will associate it for an object in my database because I have a table inside my database and I use it after. The next step is create a template. Think about a template like something as a packager, as a PSCal packager, so it's a logical grouping. And the next step is to create the handler. So the handler, it will have the methods that I'll use with my information. So in this case, I will do a get, that means that will be a selected inside my database, and I want that the format that will be showed for me will be in JSON format. So I'll write here the query that will do in my database, and I will create my handler. So now I can just copy my URL and I can paste in a browser, and I will see the result in the JSON format. This is just an example about using RESTful web service. In a real life, imagine that you can share with others the jobs opportunities across different companies, and you could consume information inside your database. So what is really nice that in this case we are using Oracle free tier. Thanks for watching.